Welcome to day 9 of the 28-day photo challenge. This is one of my favorites. We're shooting golden hour. Now this is one of the best ways to get the best color out of whatever you're shooting, the best reflections with that very warm golden reflection or lighting, lens flare, bloom, everything. This is one of the best times to shoot. Everything looks as good as possible. Now there's really not anything to explain about this. It's just knowing your lighting source and then how to use it into the photos.
So my plan for today was to start off with golden hour, but like always, life happens and I thought I was gonna miss it. So I actually just came down this road to turn around because I'm in the middle of doing some other stuff right now. And that's pretty golden right over there. So it's only 5 o'clock right now. Sunset should be about 5:30, 5:40, somewhere in there. So we're right in that hour before sunset, golden hour. Now, obviously, where you are changes the amount of time. So this obviously isn't an hour because we're already in golden hour. For me, it's only going to be about a half hour because being so far north and everything, it changes, you know, the amount of light we get. So I was actually going to a different spot and I was just turning around and I found this pretty cool little place. Golden hour, we got some trains, we got the country girl, got a bunch of snow and some cool railway ties and whatever. I don't know, I think it'll work out pretty good. I mean, I can't see anything right now because the sun's so bright and like snow. So like I'll edit the exposure so that way you can actually see what I'm seeing because like this is insanely bright. And even right here, the reflection off of the snow is like blinding me. Basically, golden hour is just lighting. There's not really anything to it for like photography's sake. It's just lighting. Most of the time, you don't want shadows. I mean, we could take pictures toward the sun. That's kind of neat, but that also kind of falls under the scope of the next video, which is going to be mostly utilizing lens flare. I'll probably record both those videos while I'm out here, just because this is absolutely fantastic. I can't believe I found this by accident. I totally thought today was going to be a wash because where I had originally planned to do this is about a half-hour drive from where I am. I was coming out here to shoot another video, then I was just turning around, boom, environment. Just like photography, finding spots also happens by accident. Oh my god, I just had like a mild heart attack because it said insert SD card, but like it is. Oh god. I thought I forgot it at home. So for these shots here, what are we gonna do? Not really anything set in stone because golden hour is just all about lighting. Oh my god, I literally can't see anything that way. I can't even tell if there's anything cool. Like, I mean, this way is kind of neat because we got all the shadows, really long shadows coming off all the snow. So maybe right about, kind of like that one with the grass sticking out. Try and take a shot of that. Put it back on M for maybe I know what I'm doing. And take that ISO all the way down. So the shutter speed's at 1/50th of a second. ISO 100, we are extremely overexposed even looking into the shadow, so let's change the shutter speed all the way up 1300ths of a second. We can even do like the machine gun mode. Let's focus on, what do I want to focus on? Let's try and make the fence blurry. Let's kind of come down here and try and get that little lump of snow just after the bank. Let's try and make that the focal point. Maybe, is it in focus? Well, I really can't see anything. The sun is killing me. Okay, I think that's in focus. I can't really see anything, so let's just kind of go for that. Put that snowbank on the rule of thirds, center that up, and bang. Neat. Oh my god, I'm falling over. Oh, standing on a water bottle. Out of all the things. Okay, so that picture's kind of neat, I guess. Let's see, did I hit that focal point? Wow, I did. Look at that. Maybe I'll crop in a little bit even. Well, let's get something of this train. I kind of like this one, where it's just the wheels. Let's get down a little bit lower. Yeah, okay. Where are the wheels? Where am I? Up here. I am zoomed all the way in at 70. Well, 35, but full frame equivalent is 70. I'm going to keep that train car perfectly centered. Bang. Did I hit focus on that one? Hey, look at that. 2 for 2. This never happens. I'm going to go back onto the sniper mode, single shot. And let's try and get, see if I can get that plane. Autofocus this one. Oh, hey, I kind of got it, but like low megapixel, so you can't really see it. Ah, well, worth a shot. No, I feel like that little pile right in the middle there, like Canada in the background, through these sticks, it's just not quite there because it covers the bottom of it. That would have been a good shot, but the sticks are in the wrong place. Well, I mean, the train's in the wrong place. Nature's never in the wrong place. It makes its own rules. Maybe if I get this snowbank for some bokeh, just kind of get right in there, so that way I can see Canada right in between a little dip. Still zoomed in at 70. Yeah, let's try and focus in there. All right on Canada. Underexposed a little bit, so let's bring that shutter speed down to 800. Boom. Here we go, sniper. All right, it's gotta be the best part about golden hour is you don't even have to try. Everything just looks awesome. Let's just try and get this wood, but like get this little like tree thing or whatever. Tons of different elements to make some crazy bokeh. Okay, so let's try and get the things as our thing. The wood is really underexposed. It says the exposure is fine at 640, but I'm actually going to bring it down to about 400, make it overexposed, so that way the darker area is going to be overexposed, and then I'll correct the rest in post. So that way I can bring the highlights down, have a good exposure over everything. Oh my god, it is absolutely freezing. I gotta grab my gloves. This sucks. Anyway, I'll wrap this video up and I'll try and get the lens flare thing done while I'm here because this looks really cool and that'll be tomorrow's video. But golden hour, it's literally just golden hour. It's all about lighting. It's the sun. Utilize it to your advantage. Take some cool pictures and you have the best natural lighting you can get. And again, it's the hour before sunset because you can still kind of see, oh my god, it's so bright still. The sun is it's way up there still. It's not even at the horizon yet, but it went behind a cloud, so it's just absolutely freezing. I need gloves because I'm a little wiener. So hopefully you found something useful here. Like the video if you like it. Subscribe if you haven't already. That's cool. Or don't do any of it. I'm not telling you what to do.